Happy birthday to you, shining star, shining star. May your dreams come true. No matter how far you light up.
There.
Konyan. Husband. Hindi ko mabasa. I only hope you know how much. Ikaw magbasa na kasi wala akong eyeglass. Hindi mo ko na yung eyeglass ko.
I appreciate every little thing you do.
Ay, ikaw na magbasahan para pan. Sige.
I could just let today go by without saying thank you. Thank you for the fun, the laugh, the late hugs, and the early morning kisses. Thank you for being my rock, for holding my hand, and for making me feel safe and content.
Totoo, ha?
Yeah. Dear Jimmy, thank you for your care, your support, your loyalty, and your protection.
Sure?
Yeah. But most of all, thank you for your love and for the absolute pleasure of sharing life with you. I hope today I can make you feel as special in love as you make me feel every day. Happy birthday. I love you, Joanne.
Thank you, Anne. Love you.
Meron ba si Gemma sa ano? Sa loob, kay Gian. Yung nasa loob niya.
Bakit may pera? Ito. Happy birthday, Daddy. Wish you good health and happy life. Chia. Eh, hotel naman kita sa birthday mo, ha? Mag-hotel kita. Basta ba? Yeah. Where are you going?
Crystal.
Where?
Hotel.
What hotel?
Crystal Hotel. It's Daddy's birthday. We're gonna celebrate his birthday. We're gonna stay in Holiday Inn for one night hotel.
Yes,
Happy
Mommy.
birthday, Daddy.
Thank you. Thank you.
Hello, punta kami ngayon sa Holiday Inn para sa birthday ni Daddy.
Sakit natin na. Sakit natin. Saan tayo para?
Nagbuko kami ng Uber. Kasi tagal ng bus.
Para masulit namin yung Gian 5-star hotel. Sige.
Birthday.
Dapat 30 pa niya no? Para mailagay mo.
Hindi.
30.
3.
We are now in
We are here looking for our room.
Holiday Inn.
Holiday Inn 309.
Oh, janjaran. Room reveal. Ito ang toilet.
Ano, maganda dito. Huwag na ipasok yun.
Walang AC. May AC ata.
Ay, salamat.
Thank you.
Baka tinalas siya, Daddy. Huwag mo lang i-ano dyan. Push mo muna.
Hotel naman. Good.
Daddy. Daddy.
Hmm.
Nakatipid ka na 79 pounds. Ay, 75 na.
This is our hotel. How's our hotel? Oh, we have a nice hotel toilet here.
Don't shrug your shoulders.
Yan. Yan. Okay.
So sorry. Hello, today is July 24, 2024.
Kagigising lang namin, di ba?
Gising lang namin.
Yan. Saan nga pupunta diyan?
Mag-breakfast.
Breakfast.
Breakfast na tayo. Yan. So, ang view natin, tingnan yung view sa Holiday Inn. Ito ang view namin. Ah, ganda. Ganda ng view. Tadaan! Basta, tingnan ang damit mo, anak. Ang ganda ng damit mo. Tingnan ang picture. Nasa Stonehenge si Mommy Daddy. Yan. Ikaw, yan. Tingnan yung picture mo. Ang Tower of London. Patingin. Ako naman.
Ano naman itong ano?
Anniversary namin.
View from the top.
Let's go.
Teka lang, kulang ko lang itong view.
Okay yung breakfast mo, na? Ha? Okay yung breakfast mo? Yan lang? Kasya na sa'yo yan? Happy? Mami mo. Sabihin na mami mo, kung di naman kinain yan, dami yun. Ito sa akin nila. What's the date today? It's July 24. So we're going to Gia. We're gonna watch the. But first we're gonna take our lunch first, okay?
Ayun pala ang original nila.
Pwede ako na yung camera mo.
Ayun pala ang original nila. Teka lang, i-ano ko lang din.
What's the taste diyan? Nice? Pinag-ipunan nila siguro.
Hindi ko pamunta. Nagalit na.
Okay na pa. Wala naman kayong dala eh. Ay, ng bag eh. Ako, hindi. Walang ticket. Doon sa dalawang ticket. Yung bag nyo lang. Yung bag nyo lang.
You see your tickets?